In this video, I will show you how to formulate and make this large batch of this ultra slip hair detangler from our previous recipe. This detangler will remove the knots and tangles in your hair. It also acts as a pre-poo to prepare your hair for shampooing. Let's formulate. To make this large batch of detangler, I increased the original recipe by 10, which means I multiplied the amount of all the ingredients in the original formula, which is on the left, by 10 to get the new amount on the right. So the total amount of all the ingredients on the right side equals 1000 because 10 times 100 is 1000. The first ingredient we will measure out for this recipe will be 389 grams of distilled water. Next will be aloe vera juice, and we will need 380 grams of aloe vera juice. Thirdly, we're going to measure our oil. We're using sweet almond oil, and that will be 100 grams of sweet almond oil. To thicken this recipe and also to give us the slip that we need to detangle our hair, we are going to be adding 20 grams of guar gum. And guar gum dissolves best in glycerin. So we're going to be adding vegetable glycerin together with the guar gum so that we can mix both together. I didn't realize that I added the wrong amount of glycerin, but thank God that I noticed it, and so I had to add more glycerin to dissolve this guar gum. So here I'm adding more glycerin to dissolve the guar gum to get a total of 100 grams. Next, you have to make sure that the guar gum mixes really well. Make sure that it completely dissolves in the glycerin. And make sure there are no lumps. Then afterwards, add the guar gum and glycerin mixture into the large bowl containing the distilled water, aloe vera juice, and sweet almond oil. Next, we're going to be adding our vitamin E because we don't want our detangler to become rancid because of the oil that we have in it. So we'll be adding 1 gram of vitamin E. And also we will be adding a preservative to this product because we don't want any microorganism growing in this hair detangler. And we're going to be adding the vitamin E and preservative into the big bowl with all the other ingredients. Next, grab your handheld mixer and begin to mix all the ingredients together. The goal is to mix the entire ingredients until it begins to thicken. And that can take between 2 minutes to 10 minutes. As you can see, the product is beginning to thicken. And you don't need to heat it up. just whisk it, just mix it. Make sure you get a spatula to mix the sides, just in case you have any oils on the side of the bowl or guar gum on the side of the bowl. You want everything to get mixed in together. And then blend more. Blend the ingredients together a little bit more. As you're blending, you will see that it thickens. The more you blend, the more it thickens. And this is it. And as you also leave it out in room temperature, the liquid evaporates and the product gets thicker. Here I've decided to transfer the product from this metal bowl to a glass bowl. See how slippery this product is. It is very light and very slippery. It will give you the right slip to get all those knots and tangles out of your hair. Once your product is ready, it has thickened and you like the desired texture, you can transfer it to a clean container. This large batch of Detangler was able to yield two 16-ounce bottles of hair detangler. Please, if you're enjoying this video so far, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video, and also press the notification button so that you'll be alerted whenever I post any of these videos where I show you how to formulate products at home. And there you have it, your very own ultra slippery hair detangler for type 4C hair, or any hair type for that matter. This product can remove tangles out of any hair. Thank you so much for watching this video this far, and I want to encourage you to watch this next video that will show you how I formulated this product to make a smaller batch. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.